Hi, welcome back to Miss Kaos. So if you're new to my channel, hi, you're listening to Sukruthi and we make contents on English speaking and phonetics mostly. So if you're very new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notified every single time whenever I'm posting a new video. So without any further ado, let's get into our video. Today's topic is what are syllables? Let me tell you something. So Bill Skill has approached me and I have selected one of their products. So I want to unbox this in front of you. So let's do it. So the product is so nicely secured. They have just secured really well and they have all the shipment details and we have the model number, the MRP, all those details inside this cardboard box. So the product is Bill Skill Air Cooler Trolley and the size is mentioned, the MRP, item description, color, model number, everything is mentioned and the address and stuff. So we have some stands over here and we have 4 wheels to attach and one piece. I have to fix this, so I just fix this and I'll show you the final stand. Like I have to just sort it out, so I'll just do it. So the product is well packed, but the only drawback which I felt is they don't have a manual. So people like me, they don't know how to fix things like this. So that's the only thing I just felt missing, but the entire quality of the product is really good. So let me just fix this up and I'll show you the trolley. So what is syllable? Syllable is parting of words. So according to the vowel sounds in the word, we part the words into different parts and according to the number of parts we'll name it like monosyllable, disyllable, 3 syllabic words, 4 syllabic words, 5 syllabic words, all these type of syllabic structures we have. Each part will have a vowel sound for sure. It may contain or may not contain a consonant sound. Okay, it's like it can contain a consonant sound prior or post the vowel sound, or it may not. So let's see some of the examples. They are like most easy thing. When you are spelling itself, you can understand how much syllables it have. That means how much part it has. So for example, cultivation. Okay, it's cultivation. In kal we have u sound, kal, a sound. T means e sound we have, ve, so a sound is there, vowel, and shan, a sound is there. So cultivation. So it is a 4 syllabic word and there are 1 syllable word like go, pen, 10, all these are 1 syllabic word. We can't part them into 2 because they have only 1 vowel sound. For coming to 2 syllabic words, say gimbal, okay, gimbal. So in gim we have e sound and in bal we have a sound. So gimbal. So likewise we can part these words. So that is all about a syllable and next thing is syllabic structure. So syllabic structure is whenever we are transcribing a word, it will have a consonant sound or a vowel sound or a diphthong. So diphthongs are considered as vowel sounds itself and say for example bell, okay, b sound, a sound and l sound. So here b is a consonant sound, so we mark it as C and a is a vowel sound, so it's a pure vowel sound, so we mark it as V, and l again is a consonant sound, we mark it as C. So if the sound is a consonant sound, we mark it as C, And if a sound is vowel sound, pure vowel, or short, long, or diphthongs, we mark it as V itself. So every word has its own syllabic structure, and this is how we have to mark it. So for bell, it is C, V, C. So like that, in our very next video, we can discuss on some words and their syllabic structure. So I hope this video was informative, and I hope I could convey what is syllable and the introduction about syllabic structure. So stay tuned, keep sharing, much love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.